So this is one of the worst days I ever had in UK. Starting the day with not being able to capture my sound. As you can see, I'm doing right now a voiceover. I thought that I had already connected my mic, and I'm using DJI mic by the way. So I thought it was like already connected because most of the time I just leave it on and it works very well. But this day I didn't even realize, because I don't really check like on the same time after I record. So I didn't realize that it wasn't recording my sound. As you can see, like I'm doing the voiceover as in the morning. I'm right now going to the place that I'm supposed to have an interview, and then realizing that I did not actually turn on the mic right now. That's when I'm actually doing the voiceover. So this is actually a bad day, and it's not only that's how it started. I didn't notice it, and then later I'm going to somewhere where I'm supposed to have the interview, but actually I actually opened a wrong location, and then I went like really miles away, going to the north of UK, and it was still England though, and it was really cold. Realizing that it was the wrong location, that was the worst experience. And then I had to go back to my own place and the place that I actually was supposed to go. So like it was really a bad experience. And what happened is that they sent me an email which didn't contain a location. So then I had to check it on Google, and then Google presented me an advert. So when I opened the advert, it sent me to another location, if that kind of makes sense. So then I had to like I had to check for another location which is proper. So I had to call them and told them about the situation. They didn't send me the right location because I was very early, like 2 hours before I was there for the interview, but I was on the wrong location. Now they sent me the real location, and then I went there. But before I reached there were some things that really were terrible that happened on the way, and let me talk about them live right now, because at least they might capture them on the real video.
So right now it's super cold, -4 if not mistaken. I don't know what should I say, guys. Like, it's so depressing that I have to survive. So the story behind, I think I've already told you guys. So now I just came over that place, and it's not the right place, and it's actually back to the place that I was going in those streets. Maybe that those streets wasn't for nothing. I was supposed to like cross check again, but I didn't, because I was worried I'm gonna be late. But the best thing is that I contacted them and I told them that where I am, and they said it's okay. Around 12 I can go. So I think I have like probably 1 hour and a half to go there. I hope I'm gonna reach there soon. But I'm really freezing right now. I'm not happy this day. This day started very worse, with the good streets of going all over and over and over. But I'm now waiting for the bus. I think that's the bus. I hope so. Because I'm fucking tired right now. Fuck this, man. So depressing. Damn. But anyway, you can give up, right? You have to look for that. You have already got to work by the way, if you know. But I thought like it's always good to go for an interview. You never know what you will find, like who people you can meet, and anyway, just open-minded. Like fuck this, man. It's so annoying. I don't know what was I thinking, but today's day is not nice. It's just shit, man. Just keeps on. When the moment you think that it's getting better, it's getting worse than that. And I have to like 10 minutes to 11 minutes to wait here for the bus. And they also have other kind of restriction. Like there's another way around it. Like they don't use bank cards here, so you have to use your tickets. It's very annoying. What the hell? In 2 minutes I can come here. I hope it does, because I'm already here for a long time ago. God damn.
So another thing I forgot to tell you is that I actually recorded so many footage, and I figured that when I was actually copying the footage, I recorded on the wrong format, and now I cannot access the footage on my PC. So bad luck.
Tottenham Hale, Newbridge and Stratford. This train is formed of 5 coaches. Platform 1 for the 11:05 Greater Anglia service.
So there's a train coming. It's over there. No, that's not ours. So we ain't getting in. I was on platform 2. God damn, this place is cold like hell. Super cold. Yeah, it's very cold. Let's just wait for our own train before we get lost again. I hope this time I'm not lost though. I hope I'm right. Because if I'm not, then I'm screwed again. Fuck this, I don't want anything to do with this again.
The next train
Yeah. Yeah, our train has just arrived. It is. I hope I don't fuck up this time. Oh shit. This shit is full like hell. God damn. That's a lot of it.
Honestly, this was the worst experience, despite the fact that I didn't end up losing anything, like any physical equipment on my own, because the last time we actually lost the mic mini. It actually got stuck on the bus and we left it behind. So this time around, I was very careful with my equipment, so I was like checking every time. But the trip was really not nice, going all that way around and like getting lost on the way because of the place of the location and all the stuff. And at the same time, I actually did manage to go to the interview place, and yeah, the interview went well, and I did get like to ask some questions. I'm gonna make a separate video on giving you some tips if you're really interested in getting an interview, or I mean like getting a job here. Yeah, and how I did it on my side. I actually explained it on the other video, so if you're interested you can check that out, but I'll make a separate video. So I think this is actually one of the days that I really don't like to, I really even actually rethought like, do I really have to really share this? But anyway, yeah, so if you're actually experiencing a bad day, you're not alone there. So everyone has actually that one bad day, and I hope it doesn't discourage you on getting what you want and doing what you want. So I did end up doing everything that I want, and at the end point I did the interview, and they actually said that they wanted the documents but they haven't chosen me yet. So I wondered like, why do you have to like ask someone's document if they haven't chosen you, or they're just trying to ask for the document at the same time they are not telling you that they've chosen you. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for their thoughts and like their, like, I don't know, is it thoughts or like their feedback, and till then.
So we're back actually in the same place that we came from, and it's really disappointing that we came all this way. It was wrong. It's just shitty, and I got a friend. And actually, we had plans of meeting with people, and everyone is canceling. So this is really bad. This day is getting worse. We wanted to go to a certain museum, but everyone is quitting, so it's shitty. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, so I'm here at the station.
Customer information. While waiting for your train, please stand behind the yellow line. This is for your own safety. Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm here waiting. I think it might take a while, but it's coming. Yeah, here it is. Bus took forever arriving, and outside there it's so cold. Dang this day, man. Now I have a lot of things to do. I need to study. Jesus help me. He said that I was well today. We also have a zero contact down, which is nice. So I'm interested in the zero contact that you work only when you want to. So yeah, I think that's it. They don't want to listen to what they want to say. I hope they don't mind the fact that I'm late. That's what I'm hoping for. And let's check before you have passed on the actual place that you're supposed to get on. Jesus Christ, this day. What? Okay, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. God damn, this one stops. It's gonna take like 25 minutes until we reach there. Meanwhile, I'll be studying using my phone. I've changed from reading books to studying using the phone. So yeah, since I have so many things to study, I'll be reading books as listening books, like audio books. That's what I'm gonna change to, and that's what I've been doing recently. So yeah, to save more time and then to do more things at the same time. But yeah, I have to prioritize some things else. So, but I'm not gonna quit on reading. Like, it's just changing. You can do that also and figure out the way of how you can do it. Yeah, see you on. Just hope this interview goes well, because I'm really okay and I'm ready. It's not like they're gonna ask some medical stuff, they're gonna ask just normal questions. Yeah, so see ya. So actually right now we just came from the interview, and the thing is the interview was actually well, everything went well. They asked for the documents, but the email didn't say about the documents, so I didn't come with the documents. And I told them that tomorrow I'll bring the documents, and tomorrow's schedule has actually nothing, so it's gonna be a good day. But I hope it's not gonna be messed up like today, because today we had a very messed up day. But at last we actually had a good day, because the interview was just an okay. I think when you're actually passing through the interview, like when you're actually choosing for the interview, you're already chosen, so you don't have to worry. You just have to put your mind straight to it. And most of the questions they will be asking you, it's relative to what you actually had the experience with. So if you already have worked before, I think it's not going to be a limit. But if you have no experience, at least you have done something maybe, I hope so. But if you haven't also, just try to apply. It's nothing else which is new. So I think that's the best advice I would give. I'll make a separate video for this one, because I'm not sure if it's going to be everyone who's going to be interested in this. But I'll make a separate one, and yeah. Right now I'm going back. We had a plan of meeting, but all my friends have just abandoned the ship and we are no longer going to meet, which is a bad thing, because we're gonna be on our own, me and my camera and you guys actually. So I'll be going back home. I don't wanna pass through anywhere, just going back, because here it's like I think 1 hour from where I live. Yeah, it's like 53 minutes, like almost 1 hour. So yeah, I'll see you around when things are going to get better.
Sorry.
See ya. What's up? Oh.
Change here for London Overground and National Rail Services. Exit here for the British Library. This station has step-free access.
So finally the day is almost done. Oh my god, it's very noisy. So I'll be heading to the dormitory. It has been hectic, and today is just Friday. I don't know for the coming weekend. I'm sure that we don't have to go to church on Sunday. Saturday is tomorrow. My Friday was the worst. The worst experience ever. Oh my god. Let me just go to the dormitory and play some games, then study and catch up with some USMLE studies. Till then, I'll see you soon, guys. Yeah, that's it. I'll see ya. So for those guys who remember, when I was in Tanzania, I used to play piano. Like I used to learn actually, and I used to also like learn like drawing, graphics, design stuff. So now in this week we are back. We'll be doing that. I met some people who are actually like they really like it and they have given up. It kind of gave me a sense of like I am among them, and I felt so bad, like oh my god, if I was actually doing something, not that I know like the basics, but if I would have been practicing, I would have been so far away. Because like for example the piano is like 2 years now. If I had really gone deep for it, it would be like 2 years now. I would have been very good. And also for the graphic tablet is even something that I'm even scared to say. It's like how many years? 5 years. If I would have put 5 years into grinding and just little by little, I think I would have been so far away. I have friends who actually did start on the moment when I was interested in graphics, and now they're really far away, and I feel so bad. So I'm gonna have to like grind in, and probably after 5 years I'll see where I am on 2 things. That's piano playing and graphics design by graphics, drawing, cartoons and all this stuff. Yeah, I think that's it. That's what I want to say today. And though my voice is going bad, but yeah, see you tomorrow guys.